Hey, what's up, guys? This is Passive Profits. I'm Drew, by the way, if you hadn't already known. Welcome to our video. This is a review of GetResponse. So, GetResponse is a tool we're very familiar with here at Passive Profits. Our business needs it. We need email autoresponders, and we use it every day, as we use it for so many reasons and use it for so many different campaigns. I switched over from active campaign, so GetResponse is very dear to me. Describing itself as an all-in-one email marketing platform, GetResponse certainly boasts an impressive feature list, which includes automations, CRMs, which I have no idea what those are yet, but landing pages are cool, and even an option to run your own webinars, which is absolutely great for my business. But literally, how well does it actually deliver as a newsletter tool too? Is GetResponse up to the task of handling your email marketing? Or is it simply a jack of all trades? I think it's up to the challenge. Let's take a look and find out. I'm going to be very objective here, honestly. I found GetResponse mostly easy to navigate thanks to these simple icons in the dashboard, which are there, very apparent, which help you quickly get to where you need to go. You simply click on the features you want to access. For example, let's check out the email marketing, and you'll be taken to this section where you can see all the functions that sit under the top here, including autoresponders and statistics. Now, let's take an honest look into how to create newsletters, which is done under email marketing in GetResponse. The first thing you'll be asked to do is enter all the campaign details, such as the list, subject line, and form name. You can then choose one of GetResponse's email templates. Here's some honest feedback. While there is a wide variety to choose from, I do think the designs could be a bit more modern. So here I am. I want to create my own design. So let's choose start from scratch. It's super easy to edit the elements that come within the layout, such as images and text. For each element, you've got plenty of options to customize appearance. For example, if I click an image, you can hover over each option to exactly see what it does. It's absolutely awesome in this day and age that GetResponse gives you this mobile preview of your email, as well as options for spam and design testing. It makes so much sense since 90% of all mobile previews will be done, or previews, email and otherwise, will be done with a mobile phone. The main things they could improve would be to allow you to change styles universally. For example, headings, fonts, and colors. I'd also make it easier to add more columns to the emails. It's currently not available as a block that you can drag and drop columns and other things. How powerful are GetResponse's automations? Better than active campaign, I'll be honest, from a gut response to this question. So as I say, it's impressively responsive. GetResponse's automations are honestly endless, and for me, they were a lot easier to use than active campaign. And you get more options on higher plans than you would on other autoresponders, period. That's why the link is down below if you need it. That's a plug and an affiliate link, but you'll honestly see with your trial, if you join the trial in the affiliate link down below, you'll see that there are plenty of templates to help you build out an automation. This is an honest review, but I really love GetResponse's workflow editor, which is flexible and easy to use. To edit the steps in the workflow, you just double click on the step, which will open the Properties tab, period. Here, for example, you can select the list you want to associate with the campaign. Ease of use, anyone? You can then click on the next step to choose the email you want to send. To add additional steps to the workflow, such as new conditions or actions, you just drag and drop it from the Add an Elements tab, period. Connect steps by clicking this dot. Honestly, you can even set multiple paths. For example, assigning different actions based on whether or not a contact clicked a link. You can do this. This helped me out a lot, and it was easy to find and easy to appropriate. GetResponse also it also does a decent job of reports, period, which are found under statistics in email marketing sections. That was not written right, but I'm not going to change it because I want it to come out. For each newsletter, you can view open, click, and social data amongst other metrics. Like, honestly, for me with my website, this was fantastic and helped me understand where my consumers were coming. It's also possible to compare the performance of different campaigns. As an email marketing platform, to compare your data with other campaigns is absolutely fundamental. Additional data includes subscription-based information, including where subscribers are located, and also statistics on how your automation campaigns are performing overall. For me, there's plenty to be impressed with GetResponse. And I did say this with ActiveCampaign. However, as a new business owner, I have been looking for a great email autoresponder, so I'm going to stick with GetResponse because I've found it to be the most comprehensive. In my company's opinion, it's one of the most powerful tools for the small to medium business market, period. Despite GetResponse's long list of features, it's surprisingly easy to use, and we as a company like the email editor. Their detailed reporting and fantastic automations were awesome. However, if I had to pick, we'd like the templates to be more modern. Don't get me wrong, there is very little to fault with GetResponse, but that's it. My test also showed that GetResponse deliverability rates could be improved. Make sure to check out the latest deliverability results on Email Tool Tester, doesn't say here, but .com, obviously. This last thing I said should not be a kill to you. This is a great autoresponder, and I'm going to use it for a long time. So we hope you found our video useful. If you literally have any questions about GetResponse, just leave us a comment below. Also, hit that like button. They all say it. Plus, if you want, subscribe. And then I'm going to do my shameless plug. And I'll do it like this. If you are interested in GetResponse, then get your free trial and discount in the link in the description. Guess where it is? Down below. I'm sure you heard it before. Because guess what? I'm going to plug it on this line. Check it out in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this video link below. The first link in the description. Guess what? The second link in the description is the same link. Because you know what? This is a great email autoresponder. And honestly, if you're on this video, you're looking for a great email autoresponder. So hit the link down below.